vlog. Happy Valentine's Day. I did pink shimmer in my corner. I have the I Love Harry shirt.
Amazing.
And then I have pink pants and Converse. The jacket's just because I know it's gonna be freezing. Kelly.
I got a pink shirt from Target last night, black jeans, and sweatshirt because it's freezing today. My pink coffee cup.
80 degrees.
Layla? And a pink makeup look.
This is my mom's shirt, and then the pink turtle is my turtleneck. And then I have like pink on my eyes.
Ollie!
I love that.
Hi! Hi! To Layla's vlog. Oh my god, Layla's vlog.
Hi vlog. Oh my god, I look like interesting right now.
Hello vlog. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Let me get my heart sunny.
My hair is
1 second.
Oh.
You vlogging? Hi vlog.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day. Alright, bye vlog. See you later. I feel like this is like a tradition is we always film right here during like this position. We have a quiz right now.
They're from the video. Oh, the Adam Norris one? Yeah. I love Adam Norris.
I love that. But there was another Dawes Act as well.
Wait, what?
Yeah. But it has nothing to do with the organization.
What's this Holly's term?
Herbert Hoover. What did he do?
Oh, so
like what did he do that we didn't like? I know he did things, but like what did he do?
He tried, but it just.
Should we come up with a thumbnail?
Actual Darwinism. Further restored thumbnail. Have you found it? I'm sad. That's gonna be like the last one. The last one, anyways, I didn't read. What?
The bonus army. Tell the vlog about the bonus army.
The bonus army, let me tell you.
Yeah, and then but then Herbert was the
regulated like quota. And
yeah. Fireside chats, radios.
Hey guys, I just finished my push exam and hopefully I don't like jinx anything, but I feel confident AF. I feel like I did so good and I feel good. So I'll update you with what I get, but I don't know. If I do bad, then I might not. I don't know. Let's see what happens, but I feel good. Right now we're in Coral, but you're not gonna hear anything because that's a spoiler. Come to Red and Gold, get your tickets. I don't think they're out yet, but I need to stop. Layla's vlog. I'm kind of just ranting. Can I talk to Layla's vlog? Yeah, go ahead. Layla's vlog. I gotta go. I have to go. Oh. Okay, we'll see you later, Anna.
Hi vlog. Yeah, this is a weird experience.
I hope there's good. Oh my gosh. I want to be featured in the vlog.
Yeah, you guys want.
okay, we're going in math class.
Covering the camera. We're going to get leftovers.
We have a test on Friday.
It's Friday?
That doesn't matter.
We should just boycott.
Oh, my AirPods.
Happy Valentine's Day, yo.
Here you go, Layla. I'm doing great. Oh, hi. I'm Erica. I'm an Aries, and here's.
Is this
Hi.
like, why are we going down here?
Are we stealing food from the teachers' lounge? That's my question.
I don't know.
Bye, Stitch.
Tour. A wild Giselle. A wild Bridget. A wild Mary. Oh my god, vegan!
Okay. My
Hey, no
pretzel stick
cursing.
broke. It broke. We're gonna be in the vlog. Look, Layla, I got Coke Zero. My love.
What type of pasta is that?
Chicken. That's what the sign said. Just said chicken.
I was gonna do a heart, but I have something in my hand. Yeah. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Wait, ask the vlog.
I don't know why this is the most perfect. I can't take it off. I have clothes on my
It's a
hand.
bunch of garlic bread. It's just.
Brand Tolinos?
Yeah, they brought it for the teacher like Valentine's Day.
Then why did we have it?
Oh my god. It's so Oh my god. It's
Oh
How are we gonna get to our car?
I have a crack in my windshield.
Like,
That literally hurt.
oh my god, it hurt!
Oh my god.
It's
That's crazy. I know, it looks like it hurt.
Who is that?
Me too.
I'm so cold.
It's not that cold.
I'm so cold.
Here, I'll vlog.
Let me vlog.
No, oh my gosh, did you see that?
Can I vlog?
No. This is racism.
It's snowing.
You have a hail on you. Look.
It's all
It's on your head too.
Oh, I see. It's in places I don't want it to be.
Yeah, that's gross. It's gonna melt.
I'm gonna eat it.
Layla's phone. Your phone is like bread.
Okay, so we're going back to rehearsal. Here's Layla.
That was kind of Yeah, look at the like. Oh my god. Look at that side. Opinions?
Hailing outside.
I'm soaked right now. I can't believe I went outside. That was stupid. And I was like, let's go outside. And I was like, okay.
I'm gonna go outside except my shoes are like.
There's ice down my back.
Hey vlog, we just came out of no, why are we speed walking?
Because it's raining?
It's not raining. Okay, we just got out of rehearsal and it's like it was raining, but it's like not raining. Oh, everyone say hi to Ginger.
Bye.
Oh my god, look.
Clout. Where are you going, Caleb? My parents aren't here either. I'm waiting with Caleb. With Layla. I'm waiting with Layla. This is my brother.
Like his best friend. We're such good friends.
Okay.
We're AP Studio Art. And basically, there's 3 people missing. Oh, hi Alex. You want to be in the vlog? They're having like an art department meeting in there, and we like went to the window, and they're all like studiously talking, and I'm not sure if she knows we're out here.
I think she definitely does. I'm gonna do one more group.
No, don't.
Do one more gritty.
I don't want to go inside. This is really relaxing.
Honestly, yeah, just get their attention. Okay, Kate, David, and I are doing a scene for State Fest, and we just figured it out this morning.
What the hell are you guys even getting
I don't
here?
care.
The freaking whole thing is sold out.
I know. I don't know why I'm standing
My lunch is a ruffles and a breast.
Can I throw it or no?
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm
like
definitely
hard.
the ball celebrity.
I'm sorry.
Wait, put it down. Oh, I forgot you step on it.
Hello? Hello? No, this is a good thumbnail. Everyone, I am crazy. We look crazy.
People were probably like,
We just got like.
So does all that make sense to you guys? So that is this. So yeah? Okay, so it's supposed to be 5 work days. Yes, you
Most of it, every time I start my grandpa's hands up my jaw.
Why are you like pulsing? You're not shaking, but you're like relaxed and you're like.
No, but it's not even like that. It's like consequences when you that. Yummy, tasty. Okay. This is Callie's car. I'm not showing the license plate, but this is her car. And there's like a little perch. It's the Morgan perch. Yeah. Also, I'm gonna roast your parking job, Callie.
do it.
Boo. Boo.
My parking job is interesting.
Ah.
Oh, she has her Mercedes. Okay, like right now.
It's the Mustang. We're just looking at everyone's cars.
Oh my god. This girl. Yeah, this is Kendall's. Like, look, you can fit an entire 2 bodies.
You're supposed to look at the reverse camera and then pull back so that you
My
have
camera
the
told me I was in it.
Okay, well, you are in it. I have no, my car's so small that it's always like in the middle of, you know. I'm leaving now. All right, bye, Kendall. Have fun golf. Ing. Uh-huh.